Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to send a Google Meet link in WhatsApp, okay, in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to open our Google Meet website. Okay, so as you can see on my screen guys, so before anything else guys, if you want to send some link to somewhere or someone or into specific group of people like on WhatsApp guys. So what we're gonna do guys is we have here okay, we can create or schedule a meeting guys. Okay, let's say start an instant meeting. Okay, so in order for us to share or to send the Google Meet link, guys, you just have to copy this link, guys. This one, guys, on the left side. Copy that link, guys, and go to the WhatsApp group or WhatsApp app. Okay, so you just have to paste it here, guys. Okay, paste it here and send it, guys. Just press the enter button. Okay, on your keyboard. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys. So you successfully send the link or the Google Meet link on WhatsApp, guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.